Good morning YouTube, and today we are making unboxing of the Qi charger or Qi charger wireless charging pad. And this charging pad is in good demand and on the eBay or on the Amazon. And I was getting a lot of questions that whether it is compatible with the SVU wireless cover or the simple wireless OEM back. So I'm going to make an unboxing of this video, and I'm going to see if this is compatible with these two accessories from Samsung. These are accessories, and also it's going to have another kit in its side, which is going to make my simple OEM cover into a wireless cover. So as for the unboxing, first let me tell you the T513 is the newer version of this gadget, and it's better because there are 3 coils over here, so it gives a more area of charging while you're charging it wireless. So let's get back to the unboxing. On the back, just written there's a simple thing made, model number T503, name over here. I think the company name is Koi or Choi or whatever they pronounce it. It's a Chinese company. So as for unboxing, it comes with a USB, micro USB cable. Uh, this is the wireless charging pad. This is the wireless charging card which I'm going to install in my normal OEM back, and it's going to make this a wireless charging back also. And the more instructions and Core Technologies thank you card. So first of all, you'll need a USB adapter, or you can use your Samsung Galaxy S5 adapter with it. It should be 2 ampere adapter. I bought this. It's a $6 adapter. It's 2 amperes and it's going to do the work for me. So first of all, open this cable. I'm going to connect the micro USB over here, and we're going to connect the USB port into this adapter. I'm going to plug it into the socket. Now you can see the light turned on, and so that means it's working. Let me place it over here so that I could be easily see this way. Now first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this wireless charger that comes with it. Damn sticky tape. And I'm going to place this over here. These two connectors, these two ones, should go over on the bottom two connectors over here. So I'm going to place this connector over here like this, and this is placed over here. There's a sticky tape. It's going to take this off and it's going to stick on the battery, but I'm not doing that at the moment. I'm just going to place it over here. So I close the cover over it, and it does give a little hardness over here, but there's no breach in the seal. So now let's see if the phone is charging or not. You can see the phone is now charging. You can see the phone is now charging. It's wireless charging, and you can see over here the battery is charging. Because I'm doing it on the sideways, it should be kept over here like this. And wireless charging is okay, and it's charging the phone. So this thing, that charger works with it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the Samsung SVU cover, SVU wireless cover. This is the one, and I'm going to open this bag and I'm going to place my phone. Over here. Let the phone boot up. So you can see it's the smart view cover. It's working as smart view over here like this. So now I'm going to place this on the charger like this. And it's charging. The wireless charging has begun. I'm going to do it again so you can see it properly without the cover. I put it over here and wireless charging has started. It's charging the telephone. So this means the wireless smart view cover made by Samsung is compatible with this device. Once again, leave it over here and it's charging. Now comes the other cover that we have. That's the OEM cover, Samsung wireless cover, and this thing is wireless because it has wireless pad over here. And so now I'm gonna put this on it. Take this off, put it over here, put this cover on. No need to line the lines, it's going to fit perfectly because there's an original device, and this pad is a little bit bulkier than the now. And this one is, as again, this is the OEM wireless charging back cover for the Galaxy S5. It's different from this one, I told you. So now I've installed this one on here and I'm going to place it over here. And you can see you have placed the device within the range, now charging wirelessly. You can see over here, you can zoom over here, it's charging. I'll show you like this. So you can see it's charging. So now there's all the ambiguities that everybody, and another thing I will tell you, when it's charging the LED will turn blue, and when the charging is complete the LED will turn off. It's going to be turn red or green. Now, so all the ambiguities that everybody had about the S-View wireless cover and the OEM wireless cover being compatible with this Cortec T513 wireless pad have been answered, and all of them are compatible and all of these things work. So thank you and goodbye YouTube.